In this video, we show how to replace the DCSCM and ATIC card in an R470. Before working inside your system, read through and follow safety guidelines to protect your system from potential damage and ensure your personal safety. For more information about safety guidelines, see the service manual at dell.com/support. To remove the ATIC card and DCSCM, first with riser 2 removed, disconnect the data cable for the optional control module, then lift the blue latch on the back and then slide it out of the system. To remove the ATIC card, loosen the 2 captive screws, then tilt the card up at an angle and remove it from the guide pins. To install the ATIC card, align it with the guide pins and press down. Then tighten the 2 captive screws to secure it. To install the DCSCM and ATIC board, align it with the system, slide it all the way back until fully seated, press the blue latch to secure it in place, and then reconnect the data cable. For more information or support about the PowerEdge R470, visit dell.com/support.